When talking about web design, it is essential to have all the necessary tools at hand. From a strong editor and SEO tool to hosting and security. But instead of hiring different services, each one with different prices and operation methods, having one that can offer all in one platform will save you time and money. And that is what we will offer you next. In today's video, we will show you how to build a fully operational website with Webflow, a web development tool that allows any user to design, build, and publish fully customized websites without writing any code. So stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. As fast as your site presents all the features that are necessary to start selling your products, the bigger chances your business has to succeed. And jumping from one platform to the other is not going to benefit your store. Nevertheless, Webflow provides a holistic solution to building websites with all the key functionalities using a single platform. Webflow provides an entire website administration platform through which you can experience the fastest, most scalable hosting technology for your business, without the headaches of domain setup, FTP, cPanel, and other similar services. You will be given a free account to begin developing your site, or you can export code if you like. Furthermore, you can purchase a domain name through GoDaddy or Google Domains without leaving Webflow. The platform provides several plans for your site, whether static or dynamic, including an online store. Your website will be visible and secured with an SSL once released. You can also add clients and colleagues to update content or manage commerce orders directly in the platform's editor. Webflow's hosting services will include site backups, password protection, custom forms, a site search engine, and the ability to integrate marketing tools like Google Analytics seamlessly. There will be no updates or installations to do. Once your site is live, the platform takes over and ensures that all features are fully operational. There are no complicated dashboards or unconnected backends with the Webflow Editor. Additionally, you can write and change the content directly on your page using the editor so that you can eliminate the need to browse a cumbersome backend content management system. You can even write further information directly on the page to preview how it will appear after it goes live. When it comes to SEO, Webflow provides fine-grained control over SEO markup, indexing rules, redirects, and other features. You will be able to add schema markup so that search engines can understand and represent your content. You can also define metadata descriptions for your CMS collections. If you wish to transfer your content, you can do it without having to worry about establishing 301 redirects or requiring engineering assistance. Once your data has been indexed, you can ensure that your photos and content are visible to visitors. Webflow websites are powered by clean, semantic code that is simple for search engine indexing bots to read. Because Webflow's visual development tools are based on HTML and CSS, the result is clean, semantic markup that is pleasing to both developers and search engines. Did you see how easy it is to have all the tools available to build great business websites? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Webflow services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see how you can add security to your site and benefit from the Enterprise plan with Webflow. Webflow's Enterprise plan can assist you in creating better websites that are supported by enhanced security, bespoke traffic scalability, assured uptime, and much more. All of this without the need for professional designers. You will also be able to give your marketing and design teams more control, allowing your technical team to focus on more significant difficulties. Furthermore, Webflow's global hosting infrastructure is ready to service use cases of any size, and it includes the security protections your team requires to feel confident in committing to Webflow. If you run across any problems, Webflow's sales and solutions team are available to assist you with onboarding your team, providing technical assistance on essential integrations, and connecting you to Webflow experts who can assist you in getting up and running. Webflow's security program is aligned with industry standards like ISO 27001 and the CIS critical security controls. Plus, they are always looking for ways to increase the security of their products. Furthermore, they ensure that every employee understands their role in Webflow security. The corporation also employs tools to aid in enforcing internal security regulations. Webflow is predominantly housed in AWS, allowing access to AWS benefits to their customers such as physical security, redundancy, scalability, and key management. In addition to the benefits given by AWS, the application includes the following security features built in: two-factor authentication, G Suite SSO features, single sign-on, role-based permissions, free SSL certificate, backups, and versioning. Finally, SSL encryption is employed throughout Webflow to prevent unauthorized access to PII and non-public data. Start building websites for your business using Webflow by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.